In this video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your pivot. To do that, we're going to start by creating a very simple table. So I will begin by creating a cube, scale this out, so I get this nice tabletop shape, and then I'll raise that up in the air. Now when I create a table, I generally want the pivot for the entire object to be at the bottom and right in the center. So that way it'll line up with the base of the feet. Now, in order to adjust the pivot, I can do it by selecting the D key. And when I do, you notice that that changes. If I hit D again, it goes back to the move. Hit it again, and it goes into this mode. Now, when it's in the move mode and I move that up and down, it moves the mesh. When I select D, it only moves that pivot. And this is important because you will have many instances where you need the pivot to be in a different location. For this one, I want it to be at the origin. So to make sure it's exactly where I want it to be, I can use something that was shown in Module 1, which is Snap. So I can either select up here for Snap to Grid, or if I unselect it, I can hold down the X key to snap to grid. And if I drag that to the origin and then hit the D key again, that is now where my pivot is. So all the movement for this object, including the rotation and everything else, comes from the pivot, from the origin. On a PC, in addition to using the D key, you can also get the same function by selecting Insert. With that, we will leave this here and pick up in the next video to continue the table.